Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today we have a Dyson DC33 Multi-Floor Plus vacuum. Basically this one has the washable HEPA filter. Actually we're looking at a different model that didn't have the filter, and definitely this one has the HEPA filter. And this one has a lot of different features. Telescope reach van, lightweight and easy to carry. It's only 17.6 pounds. Has a 5-year warranty and is certified asthma and allergy friendly. It comes with an extra tool to remove pet hair, multi-turbine head. Looks like a very good vacuum. The reviews are really good online for this product, so I thought I'd check it out. My other vacuum didn't last more than a year, so I guess it's time to get a new one. And you probably heard the information about James Dyson that made so many different prototypes in 5 years. How their technology is different from other brands. You can check their website out for more details. Let's take a good glance at this, then I'll show you the vacuum in operation. I'm just going to show you simple operation, so I'm getting used to it. You guys, we engineer van. Pardon me if I mispronounce that. You go up different stairs, reach. Easy to empty bin. Lightweight. Root Cyclone technology, onboard 2-staged. Tough, durable construction, lifetime washable HEPA filter, 5 years warranty, parts and labor, mini turbine head, and altogether it looks like a really good vacuum. It's my first time buying this product, so let's turn it on and see how it is. It's all assembled already. We just got it today. We purchased this model in particular from a big wholesaler, Costco. And pretty much they're all around the same prices everywhere. So let's turn it on. Push it around. Let's take a quick look at it. Looks really neat and clean, and looks beautiful too. This is the DC33 model. It also comes with a manual. Online support with things you should clean, like the filters, called operation manual. I guess it's a good idea to read it. I wish I'm going to go back and read it more. Let's turn it on and see how it works. Good suction. And that's pretty much it. It has the root Cyclone technology, the Dyson DC33. I just want to give a video profile on this one and something to check out. And this thing actually does come out, which I need to find out how it works. This is the wand, and you probably lift the whole thing to clean it. And you take it out by pressing this little button over here, and you pull the whole thing up to the top. Press this button. Then you take it out, and this is how you use the wand to reach hard to reach places. To put it back, slide it back here, and it clips. And you press this button, then the thing will come back down. Put the cap back in. There you go. Thanks for joining me today. Hope the video was helpful and informative, and you got a great preview of the Dyson DC33 model. And I see you next time. And for more toys, more gadgets, and new things. Thank you. Bye.